Hi, my friends. It is time for math. Now, before we get into our worksheet, we are going to be talking about length today. And that means how long something is. And we're going to be focusing on the word longer. And to help us learn what longer means, we are going to need our snap cubes out, okay? So you might either have your snap cubes in a baggie or in a bin. But what I want you to do is I want you to dump out your snap cubes, okay? Once you have your snap cubes dropped out, all right, I want you to unpause this video because we're going to continue learning with them, okay? All right, so the first thing I want you to do is, can you please make a tower of 2 snap cubes, okay? Make a tower of 2 snap cubes. Now, we're not going to hold our snap cubes like this today because that's not going to show us how long it is. We're going to hold our tower like this because it's going to show us how long it is. So this tower is 2 snap cubes long, okay? So you should have 2 snap cubes. Now put that one to the side. What I want you to do, I want you to grab 7 snap cubes and I want you to make a tower of 7. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now what I want you to do is I want you to hold still, keep it on its side. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Now I want you to grab your tower of 2 and hold it just like I'm holding it right now. Okay. Let's look at these 2 towers. Okay, we got tower number 1 and we got tower number 2. Which one is longer, which means it's bigger? It's another word for bigger, but when we say longer, it means it's longer. Is it tower number 1 or tower number 2? Which one is bigger or longer? Sorry. That's right. Tower number 1 is longer. Do you see how I mean that? All right, perfect. Okay, take apart all those snap cubes for me, please. All right, once you have all your snap cubes all broken up, we're going to do that again. I need you to build a tower of 5. Can you build a tower of 5 for me? 5. And remember, we're keeping our towers on its side. We're building a tower of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tower of 5. All right, once you have the tower of 5, I want you to put it to the side. Now I want you to make a tower of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, so you should have a tower of 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, when you have both of those towers, I need you to hold them like we did last time. All right? We got 1 tower and we have 2 towers. Which tower is longer? Is the first one longer or the second one longer? What do you think, my friends? That's right. The second tower is longer. Do you see how it's longer? It has 2 more snap cubes that this tower does not have. Okay, so this one is longer. Great job. All right. Last one. Unbreak all those snap cubes, okay? All right. Last one. Are you ready? I need you to make a tower of 3. So I got 1, 2, 3. Okay, I have a tower of 3. 1, 2, 3. That's the first tower. Now for the second tower, I need you to make a tower of 3. 1, 2, 3. So I got 1, 2, 3. Put them next to each other like this. Which tower is longer, my friends? Is the first tower longer or the second tower longer? Which one's longer? I don't think either of them are longer. I think they are the same. These 2 towers are the same length. So we cannot say one is longer or shorter because they are the same length. All right. So now that we have a basic understanding of what longer means, I want you to put your snap cubes away. Don't put them away fully because we will need them in a little bit to help us with the back side of the worksheet. So just put your snap cubes to the side. What I need you to grab out right now is your 5.2 worksheet and a pencil, okay? So I'm gonna do the same. You need your 5.2 worksheet and a pencil. Oh, 1 second. There we go. That didn't share right away. That was weird. That happens sometimes. Okay. Now, what we need to do, first thing is first. We need to write our name on top and then we stop. So write your name on top and then you stop. Okay. For some reason it won't let me bring that down. There we go. One second, my friends, I'm having technical difficulties. All right, my friends, I think I got it figured out. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna write your name on top and then you stop. So write your name on top and then you stop. Remember, I'm right on the laptop, so I'm trying my best. That's all I ask for you when you write your name is try your best and try to use all 3 lines when you write your name. See how some of my letters go all the way up and some go right underneath the middle line? That's what I want your name to look like when you get yours. Okay, so the directions say circle the object that is longer. Underline the objects if they are the same length. Okay, so we're going to circle objects that are the longer. If they are the same, we're going to put a line underneath it. Remember, that's what underline means, okay? So let's get started, shall we? Okay. 1 second, this won't move. There we go. Let's look at the 2 carrots, okay? I want you to put your finger on the carrot that is longer. Which one is longer? This one or this one? Put your finger on the one that is longer. All right, so you should have circled this carrot because this carrot is longer. You should have your finger on that one. With your pencil, please circle the carrot that is longer, okay? Should we have circled this one? No, because that one is actually shorter. When it's not the longest, it's the shortest, okay? All right, let's look at the spoons. We're gonna move on to the spoons. Put your finger on the longest spoon. Can we choose a spoon that is longer? No, we can't because the spoons are what? They are the same. So with your pencil, you're going to put a line under the first spoon and a line under the second spoon because the spoons are the same. Okay. Next one, we have nails. We have nails. Okay. I want you, not nails on your fingers, of course, nails that carpenters use a lot. I want you to point to the nail that is longer, okay? Point to the nail that is longer, okay? Which one is longer? Is it this one or this one? Your finger should be on this one. With your pencil, please circle the longest nail. Okay. We circled the longest nail. And my friends, if I ever am going too quick for you, you can always pause the video, okay? All right, the next thing I see, we have some caterpillars, okay? I know some of my friends really enjoy drawing caterpillars on their whiteboards when we have free time. Please put your finger on the longest caterpillar. Put your finger on the longest caterpillar. Is this caterpillar the longest, or is this caterpillar the longest? Put your finger on the longest one. All right, you should have your finger on this one because this caterpillar is the longest. Okay. You guys are doing a great job. This one is it's a pretty good worksheet. It's a pretty easy worksheet. You guys are doing a great job. All right. We're going to do the 2 more, and then the last 2 you're going to do by yourself. Okay? All right. Let's move on to the crayons. Put your finger on the longest crayon. Put your finger on the longest crayon. Is this one the longest crayon, or is this one the longest crayon? Which one is the longest? Your finger should be on this one. You are going to circle the longest crayon. Okay, because you see how it's a little bit longer than the first crayon? That's how we know it's longer. All right, let's move on to the tree branches. All right, let's move on to the tree branches. Point to the tree branch that is longer. Can you do that? Is there a tree branch that is longer? Nope. They are what is the word called? The same. So what do we do when objects are the same again? Do you remember? We put a line under it. So if you could put a line under the tree branches to show they are the same, that would be great. Okay. All right. I think you guys are ready. Don't start yet. You're going to look at the worms and circle the longest worm. And then you're going to look at the pencils and you are going to circle the longest pencil or the longer pencil. Now, if they are the same, you're going to put lines underneath them, okay? So the directions are you circle the object that is longer, or you underline the objects if they are the same length. Okay, so I want you to do that for me now. I want you to do the last 2 by yourself. And when you finish those ones, you're gonna flip your paper over and you're gonna listen to the directions for the back. Okay, all right, good luck, and I'll see you on the back. All right, you should be on the back. The first step. Oh, I don't know what that is. All right, the first step, write your name on top and then you stop. Okay. Now this is the part where your snap cubes come in, okay? So yesterday, we found a method of figuring out how many more we need to make 5 by just counting on. Today, we're going to use our snap cubes, okay? So what you need to do is start off with a tower of 5. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 5, okay? We have 5 snap cubes. I have 6 snap cubes. I don't know why I just did that. We are doing 5. Let's try that. Make sure you check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now I have 5. Oh, that would have been messing up all my answers, okay? So they wanted us to see how many more we need to make 5. So the first one they give us is 5. So you're going to take 5 snap cubes off your tower. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many snap cubes are left in my tower? 0. So in the box next to it, you're going to write 0 because we need 0 more snap cubes when we have 5 to make 5. Does that make sense? Well, if it doesn't, we're going to do 2 more examples and then the rest of the page is on your own, okay? So the first step before you start the next answer is to build up your tower of 5 again. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay? So we got our tower of 5. How many am I going to take off? That's right, I'm going to take off 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. How many do I have left, my friends? How many do I have left? Let's count. 1, 2. I have 2 snap cubes left. So what number am I going to write in the box next to the 3? I'm going to write 2. So this shows me that 3 and 2 make 5. Okay. All right. We're going to do the last one and then it's your turn, okay? So what's my first step again? What do I have to make again? That's right, the tower of 5. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. How many blocks am I going to take off? I'm going to take off 1. How many more do I have left? Let's count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what number am I going to write in the box? I'm going to write 4. And this shows us that 1 and 4 make 5, okay? So the steps are you always start with a tower of 5, take away that many snap cubes, and see how many you have left and write that number on the line, okay? All right, it is your time to work independently. Good luck, and I cannot wait to see your work, okay? Make sure someone posts your work so I can see it, all right? All right, I'll see you soon. Bye, everybody.